What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, How to Cook. And today it's day number whatever, I don't know, of vlogmas. And I hope that you guys are enjoying these uploads, okay? Can you believe I uploaded 2 recipes in 2 days? One yesterday and one day before yesterday. Oh my goodness. Y'all, if you are here for your very first time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe, okay? And turn on the post notifications so that way you will always be the very first one to be notified every single time when I upload brand new contents. For all of a returning goodie, oh no, don't know, say, when a girl loving it to the max. Straight. Y'all, it is Wednesday. It is day number 3, Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. I have to try to remember the days. But it is Wednesday, you guys. So happy Wednesday. We are vlogging today, okay? We're doing home vlogging today because, trust me not cook nothing today. Because yesterday, you guys, I did make dinner. Yesterday, I made stew, peas, and rice. But I didn't put it on camera because I figured I have so many stew, peas, and rice recipe. And I just about had it with the stew, peas, and rice them. So what I'm going to do though is going to link a stew, peas, and rice recipe in the description. So go ahead and check out that. Right? But yeah, you guys, yesterday was one of those busy ass days. I think I did tell you guys on here that we were in the process of doing massive, major yard work. Now, we did do the fence first, and then no, that's not true. We did do the deck first, and then we did do the fence after, and then comes the stairs. Y'all, it was a lot. Trust me. And let's just say my kitchen is directly, let me turn the slide off. My kitchen is directly, you guys, in the back. My kitchen is facing the back. So when the knives are gone, you can hear everything from the kitchen and the family room and the breakfast nook. It was like so loud. And my dog, now food us up. I'm eating breakfast, you guys. It is 12:59 and I'm just having breakfast. Cereal, okay? What I'm having is a mixture of 2. So I'm having cornflakes and I'm also having a little bit of canola crunch. These are all from Aldi supermarket. So that's what I'm pretty much having here for breakfast, okay? Don't come for me. Don't judge me. Don't come for me, okay? This is going to be my breakfast. I'm not a fussy eater. But I did make stew peas. All right? Yesterday for dinner. And I did make some quick rice over here, so really, really quick rice, okay? Still have leftovers here. So that is also going to be husband's dinner today when him come home, because I'm not cook nothing today either. Okay, I'm going to be running to, let me rest you guys here a little bit because y'all, I'm hungry. Okay, hungry as hell. I'm just not having my first meal and I'm hungry, y'all, like literally. Okay, but anyways, you guys, I have to make some run or this get cold. Cold and thick like porridge. Tastes good though. But anyhow, I have to make some run to Roses. Remember Roses? Roses department store. This is where I'm gonna go, because I have to pick up a few things there and so on and so forth. I think I have to go to Aldi's too and pick up a few things there also. Because if I don't do it today, I'm going to have to do it Friday. And I don't want to do it Friday. So I think I'm going to go run my errands today. But I'm going to eat my little cereal here. My everyday breakfast. I want to take you in the backyard and show you guys the end result. Alright? But yeah, you guys, this is definitely going to be today's vlog. Because like I said, the girl ain't cooking nothing. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'm not. So, let me go ahead and grab my breakfast. And I'll see you in the next clip. Well, that was pretty good. That was quick. That was good. And now I'm going to have some... What is that? What's this? Tonic water? Tonic water. So good. So good. Let me get another straw. I usually buy it in Roses. Very affordable. But let me take you guys outside and show you my backyard. Okay. You y'all come. Let's let him stay in here because he's going to be a problem. Alright, so it's pretty sunny out here today in Georgia. It is not cold at all. I wish that winter was just like this, like literally. Let me give you a view, y'all, so of the yard. That is the beauty right there. Man, so like me an echo because I'm up high. But anyways, that is the backyard, all fenced in. Finally, all fenced in. So that way we could keep all the wildlife out, you guys. When I tell you that there's some wildlife that used to come through this yard, it was not funny. No matter what we was planting in there, trying to do a little garden or whatever, these deers, and God knows, we had so many rabbits, you guys. Couldn't plant nothing. They would eat it all up. Only the tomato them wouldn't eat. So finally, the problem is fixed. The yard is fenced all the way around. All the way around. It does go further back, but if we was going to do the yard bigger than what it is, then we would have to take down a couple of more of these trees. And we already took down a lot of the trees when we first moved here, so we ain't gonna take down no more trees. So this is a pretty big yard. All right, so let me show you the deck here. All right, so this is the deck. This is original deck. You guys could see that. And so we pushed it out and bring the steps down. Perfect settings for 4. Okay, so now that we open up the deck even look bigger than it really was. So let me take you guys down the steps. All right, so you can see it's a very high up. We are very high up in the air. So going down, very wide deck. I absolutely love this. The steps, love it, love it, love it. Very, very nice. All right, so what we had to do was to put another set of cement up right there, so to match the original deck right here, because we just had this done. This was the first thing that we actually had done, this entire area. So this is going to be like the dining area, like a dining area set up here, and then over here is going to be where we're going to set up the gazebo right in the middle. And then on this side we're going to put like a kitchen area right here. So this is going to be like a little kitchen area setup where I could cook and stuff for you guys out here. You know what I mean? Yeah. So this table is gonna be over here. Gonna fix it up really, really nice and put the gazebo right under here. So, all right. So when we have guests and stuff, the guests are on this floor. So now the guests could just come right out from the back door and enjoy the gazebo or whatever we have anything going on here. My husband and I is going to definitely use up the space for sure. Very comfy out here. Very big. This is a very big size deck. We have a lot of things to do in the yard because it does have a lot of potential. We definitely have to paint everything out, but we can't paint it yet. We gotta wait until the wood is cured first before we could paint it. And then we're gonna put up some lights all around the entire fence, like from left to right. It's gonna be all lighted, solar lights. I'm gonna get a bar built right underneath the tree here. I'm gonna set up a bar right here. I already talked to the guy about that, so we're gonna get that done. I'm gonna use up all these woods for later on and stuff like that, and take out the one that we probably could use towards that. And then we do have another project that we're going to do with the wood right here, the boards. Over there, we already started the this area right here. So already got the concrete down already. So we're going to build a outdoor fire pit right here. We already started it already, but it has to be finished. Concrete is already down. And then we'll have to put another chair here to make it 4 chairs and stuff like that. But yeah, husband garden is going to be on this side. We have a lot of things that we're going to do over here. A lot of projects. But definitely the bar over here on this side. All right, so when we have our little event and stuff, that's going to be absolutely perfect. Now the fence here though, we have one gate here. This is a smaller gate, and then on the other side we have a huge double door, double gates. All right, so this is right here, like really big, you guys. Look at that. This is literally huge. So this is a double gate on this side. All right, and then we have the small gate down there. So we have 2 ways to come in, this way and that way. I love this. It gives me that barn kind of a life, is what it do. Really love it. And now you can see the beauty of the deck, and trust me, your girl is going to be hooking up this bad boy, okay? So yes, you guys, that is what I've been up to these past couple of weeks. These past couple of weeks getting the yard work done, because I wanted this to be done up on the owl. We have a lot of owls, you guys, like lots of owls over here, big ones. And so that's why I can't really let the fur baby out. And one of the reasons why we had to get the fence up, like I said before, there's a lot of things that walk through the yard at night. Lots. Like literally. Lots. I would share a little story with you guys about the very first night when the fence went up. But you guys would maybe shit up your drawers when I tell you, okay? The very first night when the fence went up, like all the way up, I experienced something very, what do you call that word? Supernatural. Let's just leave it like that. All right? Very supernatural. So that fence was needed. Like literally needed. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here. I'm gonna end this one right here. I wanted this, like I said, I think I forgot all over the place, right? But um my entire thing for out here was to getting it done before spring, because if we was to wait until springtime, it would have been a whole lot of money to get it done. So we figured this cold weather is the perfect time to get it done, and I'm super happy that it's done. The only thing, like I said, that I'm going to get done also before the springtime is the outdoor bars. The outdoor bar. I want to have a nice little wood outdoor bar made up, and so we're going to get that done for sure, right? In the backyard. In the fire pit, we're going to do a lot of planting back here and all of that stuff. So fresh flowers and make it look nice and pretty and all of that stuff. We're going to do a lot of stuff, and definitely the gazebo out here with the little dining area set up and all that stuff is going to be real damn cute. Okay, I'm going to hook this baby up because I want to be able to cook. That's why to do the little kitchenette thing is like literally so important for me to do it, because I want to be able, if I want to come out here and cook for you guys, I want to be able to do just that. You know what I mean? Something totally different. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to head back inside. I'm going to leave this vlog right here. Please be sure that you like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already. And it's pretty much a mess out here, but that's okay. Lots to do out here, okay? But anyway, like, share, and subscribe, you guys. And I will see y'all in the next one. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Bring them come goodie and send them come, because I am waiting when they get done doing all of that. Tell me, what do you want to see me cook next in my kitchen? And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. Bye.